Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome to the channel. I hope that my balcony gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. Hey guys, it's Miss Janita doing one of the last, I believe, series for the Alice in Wonderland garden tour. I don't have any Alice, but maybe I got this nice big old frog here sitting out here finally. He's not named, but I'm just doing my best what I can, participate in sharing a small tour of the outside of my garden. I have been putting up some garden tour videos previously. You can check those out, but I just want to do this last participation thing, and then I'm going to share some more gardening decor that I am going to be placing around. But hope you guys enjoy my little small contribution to the Alice in Wonderland gardening collaboration. Thanks, Andy and Patricia. Can you guys see? It looks like I'm about to get a pepper. See it right there? We are about to have some food, growing food in the garden besides plants. Look at that. Voila. This is the bean plant. This is the pepper plant. We'll see what happens in a few. Okay guys, here is the second part of the Sandy and Patricia co-hosting the collaboration of Alice in Wonderland garden tour. This is the last video of, this is the last Saturday to make, to join in the fun if you want to. I'll leave the links to the channels where you can go and check out their garden tour, Alice in Wonderland garden tour. Like I showed you, I didn't have any Alice in Wonderland. You don't have to. You can use whatever you want, how you want. So my part of it is, I got a little tired, so I brung the rest of it in the house. I did a little bit outside where you seen earlier what I did. So right here, I'm just tier traying another part of sharing some garden art. I have the 3 frogs, see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil, just decorated on the tier tray. Now let me tell you guys something. On Mondays on my crafting channel, I am doing a collaboration with anybody who want to join, practicing how to decorate tier tray. Now I might use this same part of this video to share on Monday to cut, to help me with time. But this also is for the Alice in Wonderland garden tour. Last Saturday to join in on the fun if you guys want to. Like I said, I'm gonna put the name of the 2 ladies that are responsible for it. You can go check out their videos because I'm gonna put their channel links in the description box or in the comment section. I ain't good with a lot of that stuff. Some people share the people's channel and stuff. I'm gonna try and do that one day, but anyway, I'm gonna do what I can do. Yeah, y'all see this way the doll in the red hat, and in the back there, that is stolen. And then we have Garden Man holding his seed bag. They just in the picture. So that's about it. I just got my 3 frogs with my little garden gate around them, some little flowers, and a couple of birds, and the word inspire, because this is very inspiring. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I got these guys at a deal because I had a coupon. I love my little frogs. I like turtles. I like what else I have? Little different looking characters. The frogs, they got all kind of frogs that do all kind of stuff, but I love these guys right here. They fancied me, so I got him. He's covering his eyes. That one's covering his ears. And this one on top is covering his mouth. Speak no evil, hear no evil, see no evil. It's all around us, folks. Okay, I don't want to keep y'all long. I just wanted to share my contribution to the last episode of, joining in on the Alice in Wonderland Garden Tour. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for anybody that's supporting this channel. Appreciate you. New friends, looky-loos, passy-bys, visitors, thank you for considering it. If so, joining this channel. And if you did leave a thumbs up, thank you. Tell me what number you are. And also, if you subscribe to this channel, please let me know what number subscriber you are, because I really appreciate knowing that kind of stuff. And if you do have your channel open to let people see your subscribers, I appreciate that too, because a lot of people say they subscribe and then they aren't. And if they don't show you their subscribers, then it ain't no way of telling, especially if they don't say what number they are, if it's possible, because when you get up there in a bigger number, it's not as easy to say I'm number so and so and so. But anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go. Trolleys, don't forget to give my thumbs up, consider subscribing, liking the video, so you don't have to be a troll anymore. Okay, go check out my grocery channel, go check out my crafting channel. Anybody doing arts and crafts, go join my crafting channel. The link is in the description box. Click on it, it'll take you right to that channel. If you don't get there, let me know and I will put the link in your comment. All right, thanks Granny, thanks Sandy, thanks Patricia. I enjoyed it. I didn't make every single one, but the one I did enjoy myself. Thanks for inviting me. Thank you for letting me participate, and thank you for supporting my channel. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go. Thank you. Thanks for your time and support.